Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 42, class 9th science for the date 9th October. As you know that our lesson force and laws of motion is going on. Today we'll discuss about the law of conservation of momentum. Why does the gun recoil in backward direction when bullet is fired from it? So this recoiling of gun is based on the law of conservation of momentum, or you can say Newton's third law of motion, which says that the sum of the momentum of two objects before collision is equal to the sum of the momentum after the collision, provided there is no external unbalanced force acting on it. So if no external unbalanced force is acting, then the momentum before and after the collision will always be same, and the total momentum of two objects will remain conserved by the collision. So as per the law, before firing the gun and bullet are at rest, therefore the total momentum of the system is 0. As soon as the gun is fired, it exerts force of the bullet and bullet is accelerated in forward direction. At the same time, bullet also exerts same force on the gun but in opposite direction. So the total momentum of the system remains 0 or conserved. So in both the cases, the total momentum is 0. Next is the equation of law of conservation of momentum. You can see from the two balls are there, ball A and ball B. Ball A with mass ma is going with velocity, initial velocity is ua before the collision, with the ball B mb with the initial velocity ub. You can see from here, this is the condition. Then after the collision, there is a final momentum is there, ma with v and mb with e. So the momentum of ball B before and after the collision will be mbub will become mbvb, and before the collision it will become maua and mava. So these are the two conditions. The rate of change of momentum of ball A during collision will be the force. Initial case, first it will be acting on FAB, that means ball A is applying on B, and after the collision it will be FBA. There is a change in the force. Okay, so the equation will become, when we say that the total momentum remains equal, it will be maua plus mbub, initial momentum of both the balls with the mass, then the final moment. So FAB equals to minus PA. This is the way it is done. So the total momentum of ball A and B remains unchanged or conserved. Okay. Next is the question answers. Write the law of conservation of momentum. The sum of momentum of two objects before collision is equal to the sum of momentum after the collision, provided there is no external unbalanced force acting on them, or the total momentum of the two objects is unchanged or conserved by collision. Why does an air-filled rubber balloon swings here and there when air escapes from the mouth of it? A balloon swings here and there when air escapes from its mouth because the air present in the balloon rushes out in the downward direction. The equal and opposite reaction of downward going air pushes the balloon upward or in any direction. Next is why a rocket moves in forward direction or ignition. In a rocket, burning fuel creates a push on the front of the rocket, pushing it forward as the exhaust gases flow backwards, because every action has an equal and opposite reaction. You can see from the figure also, the exhaust flowing pushing backwards and the engine is pushed forward. Then the question number 4, you have to write the equation maua plus mbub equals to mava plus mbvb. And question number 5, you have to fill up the blanks. The force in, if FAB, then the exact force which is FB on ball A, and the two force must be equal and opposite to each other. Hope you like this worksheet. Thanks for